Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Steam Laptop. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click Install Steam to download the executable. After this, click on the downloaded file and click on Yes to authorize. Now in the wizard, select the language of the application and the path where it will be installed. Now click on Install and wait for this process to finish. Click Finish. After that, wait for the Steam updates to be downloaded and installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Upon completing this process, you can log into Steam and verify that it is working normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.